ramen noodles. Yang sebab yang fish pot ni channel jangan thì ta nghi một phần ba mùa ramen noodles di 2x thì mình cái này là ada try 3x thì mình ta orang ini try 2x tapi mình ta ini
I'm ready for it.
let's dig
Wait
it.
1 minute. Before we start this, you need to keep a challenge.
What challenge?
Who drinks water first? Or
That's the
drinks-
loser.
Yeah, he's the loser.
He's the loser.
I'm going with an English style, taking one fork and eating the ramen.
Oh man.
Oh God.
Oh come on, come on.
You need to go. Let it go. Yeah. It's okay. It's good.
It's not that spicy, huh? It's not spicy, right? Two X is nothing for me.
Guys, I think it started for me.
Oh man. It's gonna be the longest noodles ever.
Come on, come on. It's hot.
Is there any 5x, 8x noodles?
I think no.
Last one start. How do you feel now?
It's hot.
Is it getting hotter?
Yeah. Bro, tell me, can you complete the whole bowl by yourself?
2x?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. It's not that spicy. 3x, I'm not sure. 3x is very spicy. What about you?
I think no.
Even 2x, you can complete.
It will take some time.
It's like normal noodles
Yeah.
for me.
I think I have triggered something, so it's hot and spicy for me. Me. I'm good at crying.
Emotional guy. Now it's getting hot. My lips are. That one is perfect, I think. It's not even spicy.
I took it hard, that's why.
It's hot.
Don't cry, bro.
I'm not gonna cry.
I'm there for you.
I'm not good at it.
Guys, it tastes good but not better. But it's spicy in one way.
Yeah.
If you eat it in hot, very cool.
I think you can complete alone.
Yeah, you can
See
complete.
the first eggs we haven't tried. The first time I think we tried it's a 3x. Second time is this one. Let's see. Next time maybe 1x. Burak-burak gia persiang sano 1x. Suppose so 2x. Kadang sa 3x. Ang Ibrahim, kasin ba kong begin try 3x and then so banyap. Namal kajing sat wow.
If you are looking for something spicy, then it's good.
Yeah. Almost over, guys.
And no one drank the water.
No one will drink though. Let me.
Yeah. Nice. Thanks for the food.
Thanks for the food. Publish one.